anything, any variable, by putting the variable whatever is asked instead of this variable, and the value which you get is called the value of a polynomial. Let us take an example. Suppose f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. If I say that find the value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 2, that means in the above polynomial, wherever x is given, you need to place 2. That is, we will write 2 because here also x was there. So f of x will be 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 3. That is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 3. This is equal to 11. So f of 2 is equal to 11. I will write value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2, that is f of 2 is nothing but 11. Okay, this is the way you find out the value of a polynomial. Suppose I say I give you one more example. F of x is equal to x square minus 1, and say take x is equal to 4. Then f of 4 is equal to 4 the whole square minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15. F of 4 is equal to 15. Hence the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 4 is 4. Okay, so this is called value of a polynomial. Now next topic I would like to take it as the zeros of a polynomial. So what is zero of a polynomial? That is, in mathematical terms, again if I want to show you, then I will say that we say that, suppose say alpha is a zero of a polynomial f of x at alpha such that f of alpha is equal to 0. Now understand this. Here, if the value of alpha should be such that the value of this polynomial you should get 0, that is called 0, or you can also call roots of the polynomial. Okay, so very simple language. Above we saw the value. If we keep 2 and we get f of 2 is equal to 13, suppose, then it is value. But if I keep 2 and if I get f of 2 is equal to 0, then 2 is called the zeros or roots of the polynomial. Now this we can understand very easily by solving an example. The same example, if I take f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Find the zeros of a polynomial at x is equal to, say, 0, 1 or minus 1. You need to say me which is the zero of a polynomial. Suppose I say f of 0, then 0 square plus 2 into 0 plus 1, this is nothing but 1. Suppose I say 1, then 1 whole square plus 2 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So it is not 0. This is the value of the polynomial. Now let us take minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Then minus 2 plus 1. This is nothing but 1 plus 1 will be 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So when will I get 0 of the polynomial? When the value of x is minus 1. So 0 of the polynomial is at x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. This way you need to do the sum. Now very simple example if I give you. F of x is equal to 3x minus 21. I can write this as 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 upon 3. So x is equal to 7. So I will say That when will I get this 0 of the polynomial? When the value of x is 7, I will get 0. So 7 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay? It is the root of the polynomial and a 0 of the polynomial also. Because it is a binomial, or you can say it is a, which polynomial is this? It is of the form ax plus b, that is linear polynomial, correct? More than linear polynomial, you need to place the values of x. But this you can do directly like this. Suppose I give you one more example, that f of x is equal to 5x. Then you will take 5x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, we can get 0 of the polynomial. Okay, it is like this. Correct? This is nothing but only for linear polynomials. Same thing, if I give you f of x is equal to 2x plus 25. Find the 0 of the polynomial if I say. Then what will we do? First of all, we will write f of x is equal to 0. So 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 25. X is equal to minus 25 by 2. So I will write that therefore minus 25 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 25. Let us check. You will say how? Then let us check. In place of x, put minus 25 by 2 plus 25. 2 and 2 gone. I'll get minus 25 plus 225, which is nothing, equal to 0. So by putting the value of minus 25 by 2 in place of x, we get 0 of the polynomial. Correct? This way you need to find one more example. F of x is equal to x plus 15. Then we will start that x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 15. Therefore minus 15 is a 0 of the polynomial x plus 15. Let us check that at x is equal to minus 15, find x plus 15. I will not write value. Find the 0. Then is it 0 or not? I will write f of minus 15 is equal to minus 15 plus 15. So 0. I got it? So this way you need to find 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So anything they can give you, they can ask you that just find. See, they can ask you like this also. Find f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2 for each of the polynomials. They can ask you like this. That means they have not mentioned that it is a 0 or a value, but you just need to find out the value of the given polynomial by putting these numbers. Okay? So if I say f of y, let us take f of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. First I will place 0. At y is equal to 0. What will we get? 0 square minus 0 plus 1, that is 1. Again, next value is y is equal to 1. I'll write f of 1 is equal to 1 the whole square minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Next is f of 2. So I'll say y is equal to 2. F of 2 will be equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So these were the different values of the given polynomial. It is not 0. Okay. This way you need to do the sums. I will send you more practice, and in the next lecture we will go with the polynomials with new topics. Thank you very much, and please like and share and subscribe our channel. Also ask some other students to join. Okay.